Hello, this is Ebonygeek. You're always welcome to join me in expanding your knowledge base. Comments are always welcome, and please subscribe. Okay, so to explain where we are with this, where is my handy dandy pointer? Okay, here is the housing for a DC motor. And this DC motor is what controls the wheels to make these turns. Okay. The way they set it up is for this DC motor, it's a gearbox in here that makes it turn. So it's not actually a servo. Now, this particular one is the one that spins the wheels that's in this housing. This cord controls that one, and this controls the right and left one. Now, this is where the original circuit board was, but I broke it loose. I wired this up so that I could use this battery pack also with this, and the batteries go onto the bottom. That way you have two sets of batteries. Okay, this is the servo that's going to be used to actually control one of these pings. Now, the reason why I have two is because I was just checking the two, but only one is going to go on there to control the pings. The actual, let me move this over a little. Okay, the actual chip here is a L293D, I think it is. I'm hoping it is. It came with this chip came off of this expansion board. As you can see, it's the L293D. Okay, so I just snatched it off of here, right there, and to see if I could get this one back going, because the one that was originally in the car, well, that one got burnt out by experimentation. And so we're just starting it out with a fresh chip. Okay, right there. Okay, so it's wired up and everything's fine with it. Then I have my Arduino board, my Arduino Uno, of course, and that's what we're working with. The original circuit board is gone, and we're working off the L293D chip that came off of this expansion board, and these leads that I was able to rewire to work with the batteries down there. So that's what we have as far as the hardware. As far as the coding, I'm going to get to that starting tomorrow again. I do apologize for the sloppy coding that was posted. I just wanted to give an idea where I was at that point in time. And I was a bit frustrated and then think about the fact that I hadn't cleaned the code up. So I'm going to get started with recoding it tomorrow so I could actually check the servo according to the ideas that has been suggested on the post, and see if I could get that working. The part with the wheels is fine. The ping sensor, the little that I have it doing, is fine. The servo itself is what I'm having a problem with right now, just getting it to actually just run without grinding. I have not put a main to it yet because I'm still trying to get just the hardware to work on a test run. So I've tested everything. The only thing that's not really the one that's giving me a problem is the servo. And that's where the issue lies right now. Once I get that servo at least working, then I could start trying to put everything else together and get my main together. So thank you so much for any suggestions that you could give me. As you can see in my original video, I did start out just hacking this. Well, not hacking it. I started out with the circuit board here, and I had got it running. It sat for a while, and then when I got back to it, it wasn't working. So wound up breaking that down and just starting out with a fresh chip. A new learning experience, but I'm hoping that I can get it going. So thank you so much. I'm Ebonygeek, and I hope that the information provided has been helpful to you. Please remember to subscribe. Happy building and happy coding.